Morning, students. Our topic is the northern mountains and the northern plains. The northern mountains and the northern plains. Second lesson, fourth class. Already we discussed about Himadri. Okay, na? Himadri also called as Greater Himalayas. In this session, I will explain you Himachal, and Shivaliks, and importance of Himalayas. Importance of Himalayas. See, now we are going to discuss about Himachal ranges, Shivalik ranges, and the importance of Himalayas. Already we previous class, I explained you about Himadri ranges. The northernmost of India, which ranges are located? Yes, Himadri. Himadri also called as Greater Himalayas. So that area totally covered by snow. Perennial rivers originating in that particular area. Then Himachal. Himachal found between Himadri and Shivalik. Okay. For example, see, Himalaya divided into three parts: Himadri ranges, next Himachal and Shivaliks. Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik. Okay, na? Himadri, Himachal, Shivaliks. Himadri found between Shivaliks and Himadri. You understand? Himachal found between Himadri and Shivalik ranges. What are the important features of Himachal ranges? Okay, na? We can find valleys here. Kashmiri Valley. You know, this is a beautiful valley presented in this part. Okay, na? Which part? Himachal part. Kulu, Kangra, Kashmiri Valley also, okay, na, presented in Himachal ranges area. Okay, na? Suppose in severe summer, where we will go and take the recreation, take the rest? Yes, hill stations. Famous hill stations also located in this Shivalik area. Okay, na? Shimla, Kulu, Shimla, Manali, Darjeeling, These are the famous hill stations also presented in the found in the Himachal region. Okay na? Then valleys, Kashmiri Valley, then Kulu, Kangra. These valleys are found in Himachal range. Then hill stations also, famous hill stations also found in Himachal range. Himachal range lies between Himadri and Shivaliks. Do you understand? So winters, here winters are very cold. Summer is cool and pleasant. Cool and pleasant. Okay, then we can find which trees here. Oak, Devadar, Fir. Okay, na? Oak, Devadar, Fir, such kind of trees we can found Himachal area. Do you understand? The slopes of the Himachal ranges, agriculture activities taking place. Where the slopes of the Himachal ranges, okay, agriculture activities taking place. See, these Himachal ranges not as big as, okay, not as high as Himadri ranges. That means here peaks height is low when compared to Himadri ranges. Average height of the peaks here 3000, okay na, 700 to 4500 meters. Himadri, all the highest peaks in the world lies in Himadri ranges. But here peaks are, okay na, then shorter when compared to the Himadri ranges. Okay, then some animal life presented in this Himachal area. Do you understand? Agricultural activities also taking place. Oak, Devadar, Fir, these kind of trees we can found in Himachal ranges. Do you understand? These are the important features we can observe in Himachal ranges. Himachal ranges are here we can found between Himadri and Shivaliks. Do you understand? Then next one is Shivaliks. Shivaliks. Observe the map. Where Shivaliks are lies is south to Himalayas. These are the southernmost ranges of Himalayas. Shivaliks. Shivaliks are the southernmost ranges of Himalayas. Very good. Southernmost ranges. So here hills are presented rather than peaks. Okay, this area covered with hills. Okay, na? We can found dunes here. Dehradun, Katli Dune, Dehradun. That means dunes found here. The valleys lying between lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks, that is called dune. Okay, na? Where we can find the dunes? Shivalik areas. So terraced farming are observing here, practicing here. Terraced farming. Okay, na? Terraced farming in the sense, especially in the slopes of, okay, na, Shivaliks, a series of blocks they are making, they are building. Okay, na? Then they are practicing agriculture activities. Okay, na? Then tea plantation we can observe here. Tea plantation. If you come down, then we can find which region? Terai region. Okay, na? Especially in the down slopes, we can find the agriculture activities. Then which kind of agriculture practices they are making? Wheat, maize, okay, na? Sugarcane. They are practicing. They are growing such kind of crops. If you come down, then Terai region we can found. Okay, na? Marshy region, flat and marshy region is called as Terai. Flat and marshy region is called as Terai. Okay, na? Then in this Terai, they are practicing, farmers are practicing rice, they are growing rice, wheat, sugarcane. Okay, na? So flat and marshy land are called as Terai. Which kind of agriculture practices they are performing here? Rice, wheat, maize. Then tea plantation also taking place. Okay, na? Then little bit wildlife we can observe in this area. Wildlife. These are the important features of Shivaliks. Southernmost ranges of Himalayas. Okay, na? Found which one? Shivalik ranges. Okay. So these are not highest peaks. Highest peaks in the world are not located here. Where highest peaks in the world located? Himadri regions. We can found the hills here. Especially these hills called as different names in different areas. Kashmir, Kashmiri hills, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, na? Then Assam, Kachar hills. Okay, Mishmi hills in Arunachal Pradesh. Such a way, these mountains have different names. These hills have different names. Dunes like Katli Dune, Dekra Dune, Patli Dune, we can found in this region, Shivalik region. Terraced farming they are practicing here. Which kind of farming? Series of blocks they are building and practicing agriculture activities, that is called terraced farming. Okay, na? Then tea plantations. Okay, then some kind of agriculture practices they are following. Then flat and marshy region we can found south of Shivaliks. Okay, then they rice, wheat, sugarcane they are practicing. Then we also observe wildlife here. Here environment, climate is very good for agriculture. Where? In Shivalik ranges. Okay, now I will explain you about importance of Himalayas. So, in so many ways, Himalayas are helping us, isn't it or not? Tell me. Up to now, we discussed about Himadri, Himachal, Shivaliks. So, the importance of these divisions we discussed up to now. Okay, now the importance of Himalayas we will discuss. Importance of Himalayas. See, importance of Himalayas. Himalayas act as a natural boundaries. Natural Himalayas act as a natural boundaries. If you see this side, okay, na, north part, especially northeastern side, these Himalayas are existed. Okay, na? Then such a way these Himalayas are act as natural boundaries. These Himalayas protecting from invasions, foreign invasions. Invasions means all of a sudden one king or any enemies will come and attack India. Okay, na? So that is called invasion. Okay, so these Himalayas act a natural boundaries for especially for enemies. For our enemies, it is not possible to cross these Himalayas. Such a difficult terrain this area is. Do you understand? Natural boundaries protecting us from foreign invasions. Protecting from foreign invasions. Especially these Himalayas stopping the monsoon's cloud winds. Stopping monsoon winds. Okay, now then India, throughout India, rains are receiving due to Himalayas. If Himalayas are not presented, then these monsoon winds blow towards northeast, then backside of that region may receive rainfall. So that Himalayas stopping the rain bearing clouds and giving rains all over India. Do you understand? Another thing is, another important point is Himalayas stopping the cold winds. Cold winds coming from the northern, okay na, northernmost point. From this side, cold winds are blowing. These cold winds, maybe if Himalayas are not presented, these cold winds will enter into the India. India will become cold desert. Do you understand? Such a way, these Himalayas are protecting, stopping the cold winds, which are blowing from the northern regions, northernmost regions. Do you understand? Okay, now. So these are all the natural boundaries, stopping monsoon winds, then stopping cold winds. Okay, then animal life. Animal life presented here. Tiger, rhinoceros. Okay, now such animals are surviving in this area. Different kinds of trees also growing in these Himalayan ranges. Oak, Devadar, fir, apples. So these trees are growing in Himalaya regions. Okay, now such a way Himalayas are playing very important role as far as India is concerned. Indian point of view, Himalayas are very playing important role. Do you understand? Playing very important role. Indian perspective. Which one? Himalayas. Okay, now do you understand the importance of Himalayas? Okay? Thank you.